Hi, this is Sarah Brokaw, Minnesota Master Naturalist. For Trail Tuesday, I'd like to give you a snapshot of one of our fun winter activities, which is skijoring at the local golf course. This is not something that we do in the summer, and these are trails that we really only have access to in the winter, and so we take full advantage of them. Minneapolis Park Board grooms a ski trail as well as a multi-use trail that accommodates both skijor folks, fat bikers, and also walkers. My skijor partner is Emma, a 7-year-old lab mix. Been skijoring probably for about 5.5 years. What you need to skijor is a dog that loves to run, a hip belt for yourself. You can do cross-country skis, either classic or skate skis, bungee to tether you to the dog, and then also a skijor harness that fits well. A lot of the training for skijoring can be done on dry land, teaching left and right, a whoa, a wait. You can also further modify commands. In our tool chest of commands, we ended up using Spanish left and right. Sort of have just a behavior worked out for the start, and do have sort of a whoa and a sort of keep it together command. We're not super serious about it. I did do one event several years ago, and Emma's not really super comfortable around dogs all the time, and so that was too hard for her. So we mostly just skijor for exercise now, which is really fun for both of us.
Good job, lady!
It's really fun heading over to the golf course in the morning for a couple quick laps with Emma. We often see a lot of different birds. Most common, I think, are crows, but also blue jays, the occasional bald eagle, woodpeckers. Later in the spring, sometimes we'll start to see migrants showing up.
Nice job, Emma!
What I notice most when we're out here skijoring is just the trees. They're just these notable objects on this pretty plain landscape. And so the area actually has some lovely oak trees. There are a couple of tamaracks on the golf course. But it's actually just really fun to be out there.
Nice job, Emma! Good job, Emma! Yay! Good job, lady!
The most recent bird highlight we've had was finding a tree where a bald eagle was hanging out, but it was surrounded by about 20 to 30 crows. And it was hard to tell if it was just crows being crows, but it would have been super interesting to know what transpired in the half hour, 15 minutes prior to when we saw that, just to know how they started following that eagle around. I hope you enjoyed coming along on the ride with our skijor team. Sarah Brokaw, Minnesota Master Naturalist since November 2020.